Hey, welcome back to ClearSpot. Commissioning delays can push revenue recognition, increase project friction, and slow handover between EPC teams and owners. On large solar projects, even small documentation gaps create expensive bottlenecks. In this video, we look at how drone automation can help speed up commissioning with better evidence and cleaner reporting. Traditional commissioning workflows often involve fragmented photo sets, manual checklists, inconsistent field records, and last-minute issue chasing. That slows sign-off and creates tension between construction teams, QA teams, and the future asset owner. Phase 1. Understand where commissioning friction comes from. It usually is not one dramatic failure, it is dozens of small documentation problems, unresolved punch list items, incomplete visibility, and delayed verification across a very large footprint. Phase 2. Use drone data to create better proof. A structured aerial inspection gives teams faster visibility across the site, helps document progress, and creates a more consistent record of what was completed. It shows what still needs attention and where field anomalies are concentrated. This is where ClearSpot's agentic automation system adds value. Instead of leaving data in disconnected folders, the system helps organize findings, classify issues, and make reporting easier to share across EPC managers, QA leads, and asset stakeholders. That reduces friction during the final sign-off phase. Phase 3. Think beyond speed. Faster commissioning matters, but better handover matters just as much. When the owner receives structured evidence instead of scattered files, the transition into operations becomes cleaner. The first months of asset management start from a stronger baseline. This is especially important for utility-scale portfolios, where repeatability matters. A one-off success is useful. A commissioning workflow that scales across multiple sites is much more valuable. Drone automation does not remove the need for engineering review or quality control. It improves the quality and accessibility of the information those teams use. That is what helps projects move faster without sacrificing trust. And if your team wants to reduce commissioning friction and improve handover quality with ClearSpot's agentic automation system, visit ClearSpot AI to see how we support solar project teams. Like, share, and subscribe for more solar insights. ClearSpot, smart device, smarter decisions.